Directly across from the beautiful Burleigh Heads Beach, Ambience on Burleigh is a luxury mixed-use beachfront development created by award-winning developer Australand. Built only 6 years ago, the building is designed to harmonise a new modern development within a relaxed village environment. The central location provides direct access to Burleigh's thriving restaurant, cafe and retail precinct, Burleigh Beach, and presents residents with lifestyle options that are unique to Burleigh. There are 6 final apartments to sell, including 1 2-bedroom plus media room and 5 3-bedroom apartments. These apartments are located between levels 7 and 13, all featuring beachfront views and coastal breezes. Ambience also offers modern facilities including lap pool, gymnasium, sauna, steam room and barbecue area. This is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to purchase an exceptional beachfront property in this exclusive location.